roofing and insulation in PEP, build greener with SML. In today's fast-evolving industrial landscape, sustainability is no longer a choice, it's a necessity. Businesses across India and the world are under increasing pressure to reduce their environmental footprint while optimizing operational costs. Pre-engineered buildings, PEBs, with their speed, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness, have emerged as the preferred solution for industries ranging from manufacturing and logistics to retail and cold storage. But to truly build for the future, PEBs must also integrate advanced sustainable features like solar roofing and energy-efficient insulation. At Saxena Marine Tech Private Limited, sustainability is not an afterthought, it is a core philosophy that drives every project we deliver. From the smallest warehouse to the largest logistics hub, our PEP solutions are designed to help clients save energy, reduce costs, and demonstrate their commitment to a greener planet. Solar roofing and insulation in PEP. What is solar integrated roofing in PEP? Solar integrated roofing refers to the installation of photovoltaic (PV) panels directly on the roof sheets or using specialized mounting systems that seamlessly blend with the PEB's structure. Unlike conventional RCC buildings, where retrofitting solar panels can be challenging, PEBs designed by SML offer optimal roof slopes, custom-engineered slopes for maximum sun exposure, lightweight load-bearing capacity, steel frames designed to support PV panel weight safely. Quick installation, pre-configured mounting brackets and cabling reduce installation time. Long-term durability, Galvalume sheets and advanced coatings protect roofing systems from corrosion and weathering. With India's push towards renewable energy and policies like PM Kusum and various state subsidies, integrating solar power into your PEB makes perfect economic and environmental sense. Key benefits of solar roofing in pre-engineered buildings. Energy savings. Solar power can offset a significant portion of your electricity consumption, reducing dependency on the grid. For many warehouses and manufacturing units, solar energy covers up to 50 to 70% of daytime load.